In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Patreon earnings. If you need a copy of your earnings records for bookkeeping, taxes, or just to keep your business documents organized, Patreon makes it fairly straightforward to download that information from your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly find the report you need. To get started, open your desktop browser and log into Patreon. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a mobile device, since the full menu layout is easier to navigate and the reporting tools are more accessible there. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in the creator view of your Patreon account so you can access your financial information. After you're inside your account, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Payouts. This section is where Patreon stores information related to your earnings, transfers, and downloadable financial records. If you've never visited this area before, take a moment to let the page fully load so you can see all the available tabs and options clearly. Next, open the Documents tab. This is the section that contains downloadable files and reports connected to your payout history and earnings data. Depending on your account activity, you may see multiple files here, so this is the main area you'll use whenever you need to retrieve financial documentation from Patreon. Once you're in Documents, find the specific data report you need. The available files may vary depending on the time period, report type, or what Patreon has generated for your account. Before downloading anything, it's a good idea to double-check the file name or date range so you choose the correct report for your records. This can save you time later, especially if you're looking for a particular month, quarter, or tax-related document. When you've located the correct file, click the download link next to it. Patreon will begin downloading the report to your computer, and from there you can open it, review it, or store it wherever you normally keep your financial documents. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location that's easy to remember, such as a folder for earnings reports or tax paperwork. And that's it. Once you know where the Payouts section and Documents tab are, downloading your Patreon earnings becomes a quick and repeatable process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you access the exact report you needed.